Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Let me introduce myself, Denny Saputra. Here I will present my proposal entitled Design and Development of Android-based Learning Media for the Recognition of Names of Country. Case study grade 4 elementary school student. Chapter 1 Introduction. Research background. In the digital era, technology has become an integral part of education, and Android application-based learning media has great potential to improve the teaching and learning process. Material introducing the names of country, which is important for grade 4 elementary school students, is often delivered using conventional methods that are less interesting, so that student interest and understanding are less than optimal. Android-based learning Android-based learning media offers solution with interactive feature and interactive display, helping students more easily understand and remember the names of country and enabling independent learning. This research aims to design and develop a learning application for recognizing the names of country for grade 4 elementary school students. In order to increase interest and learning outcomes as well as contribute to the development of innovative and effective learning media. Next, formulation of the problem. Based on the background that has been explained, the problem formulation of this research is how to design a learning media for introducing Android-based country for 40 grade elementary school student. Next, research purposes. Based on the problem formulation that has been described, this research aims to design learning media for introducing the names of country based on Android. Case study 40 grade elementary school student. Next, problem limitation. Some of the limitations of the problem in this study are as follows. 1. This application was built using Construct 2 software. 2. Users of this application are 40 grade elementary school students. 3. The application is built using the MDLC method. Next, research benefit. The benefits of this study are divided into two, namely 1. Theoretical benefits. Theoretical benefits obtain information about the names of countries in the world. 2. Practical benefits. Helping 40 grade elementary school students to get to know more about the names of countries by using web-based Android learning media. Next, originality of research. The authenticity of this study can be identified as follows. 1. This research focused on designing and building learning media for country names for Fatiha grade elementary school student. Chapter 2 Literature Review. Bibliography. 1. 1. Design of mathematics educational game. Learn and play for grades 1 to 3 elementary school as Android-based learning media at SDN 7 Kramat Jati S Jakarta. Janiati 2. Design and will desktop based Atlas ASEAN Learning Media. Erdiansyah. 3. Application of the MDLC method to science learning media in elementary school by Gunawan et al. 4. Design and will learning media for vegetable tape introduction based on multimedia development life cycle De Fatima et by De Fatima et al. Sun 5. Sundanese script learning media using Android-based augmented reality by Hidayat et al. Country. A state is a territory in which there is a group of people who run the government by Wawasan Kebangsaan.id. Multimedia Development Life Cycle (MDLC). The MDLC method is a method that is suitable for creating and building applications that combine image, sound, video, animation, and other types of media by Wilf et al. MDLC is a multimedia development methodology which consists of 6 stages, namely concept, design, material collecting, assembly, testing, and distribution by Munir. Bab 3 metode penelitian. Research framework. Research framework it initial identification, output, judul, metode MDLC for 6 stages: concept, design, material collecting, assembly, testing, distribution. To output next slide. WBS work breakdown structure. Design and development of Android-based learning media for the consist of names of country, case study, grade for elementary school. There are the first 6 stages. Number 1, concept. Konsep identifikasi kebutuhan, jenis aplikasi, tujuan. Stage yang kedua, stage for 2, design. Stage Step 3, material collecting. Next step for assembly. Next step, testing. Testing alpha and testing beta. Next step, distribution. Flowchart. Step milestone 1 for there are 4 stages. Milestone 2 stages. Milestone 3 1 stage. Milestone 4 one milestone 4 one stage, milestone 5 two stages, testing alpha, testing beta, milestone 6 two stages. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.